Hi, I'm Natalie.
And I'm Morgan, and we are members of the Huskies on Hogs First Robotics team.
Today we'll be teaching you how to make a drop helicopter.
This is our template that we have provided. You will cut out on this outside line and down the middle. And then, once you have done that, there are little flaps at the bottom that you will fold the first one up and then the second one up to create a fold. Now that we have cut out in between the two routers, now you will gently crease them down, folding them outwards. Now you will put a paper clip on to make the paper helicopter fall faster.
This works because gravity pulls everything down to the center of the earth, including your paper helicopter. Air pushing up on the rotor blades at an angle causes the helicopter to spin. The force of the air is called drag. This causes your paper helicopter to fall slower. The forces of physics